Hello, friends! Let's learn the different ways we can represent a number. Let's represent number 1. Number 1 can be represented with number 1, with one finger, with one object, with one tally mark, or with one dot in a tens frame, or with letters, writing number 1. These are the ways you can represent number 1. Hello, friends! Let's play a number game. It's a number match. In this one, we have to match number 1 with just one object. Which of these 3 objects is just one object? Yes, one robot. Let's see if you're right. Very good. Let's try again. Now, in which of these pictures you only see one thing? Yes, one cake. Very good. Now, this is number 1, and you can represent number 1 with one dot in a tens frame, with an object, writing number 1 with letters, showing number 1 with your finger, or using a tally mark.